What's up mga ka-riders? This is Varsity Moto. Today pupunta tayo sa TriStar Motor Kuwait, ang authorized dealer ng Ducati at isa sa pinaka-premium na showroom dito sa Kuwait. I-feature natin para sa kanilang mga latest Ducati big bikes para sa price, specs at features. Perfect para sa mga nagpaplanong kumuha ng Ducati big bike. Plus alamin din natin ang kanilang mga pre-owned bikes para sa mileage, price and specs, para alamin kung alin ang pasok. Ride smart, ride proud. This is Varsity Moto. Let's go! Dito na tayo sa TriStar Motor Kuwait. Let's go inside para i-check na natin ang kanilang mga premium Ducati big bikes. So, right guys, so ito naman ang kanilang mga pre-owned bike. Mamaya pupuntahan natin yan isa-isa para i-feature, para makita natin ang kanilang mga mileage and price and specs. Okay. It's massive tire. Gran Turismo V4. Okay, umpisahan natin dito sa XDiavel V4. Ito ang kanilang bagong model 2026. Okay. Under the machine is a 1158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine, pushing around 168 horsepower. That superbike level power is a cruiser body. Kita nyo naman guys, killing. Price of this Ducati XDiavel V4 2026 model is 10,800 KD, which is 35,108 US dollar. Sa peso naman ay 2.131,628 pesos. Alright guys, ito naman ang Diavel V4 2026 model. Bagong modelo lang din to guys. Meron siyang riding mode, power modes, ABS cornering, Ducati traction control, daytime running light, 5 TFT color display, full LED lighting system, wheelie control, Ducati power lunch, cruise control, hand-free Ducati quick shift, turn-by-turn navigation system and multimedia system. 10,000 KD in US dollar, that is 32,518. Sa Philippine peso naman is 1.973,827 pesos. This is a Ducati bringing superbike DNA into a cruiser body. You look at a 1158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine, pushing around 168 horsepower. That's insane power for this kind of bike. But what makes it special, it delivers the power, smooth controlled, but when you twist the throttle, it just pulls hard. No drama, just pure performance. Look at that. Alright guys, ito naman ang Diavel V4 2026 model. V4 2026 model. Meron siyang riding mode, power modes, ABS cornering, Ducati traction control, daytime running light, 5 TFT color display, full LED lighting system, wheelie control, Ducati power lunch, cruise control, hand-free Ducati quick shift, turn-by-turn navigation system and multimedia system. Ang price naman nito guys is 10,000 KD. KD in US dollar, that is 32,518. Sa Philippine peso naman is 1.973,827 pesos. Diavel para naman sa susunod natin na big bike ng Ducati. Brand new model guys, pero 2018 siya. Ito naman ang Giavel Carbon 2018 model. Grabe yung tank niya, napakalaki. Okay, so this is a 162 horsepower with 17-liter tank capacity, 200 kilogram dry weight. Engine is 1198cc Ford's. This is with adjustable suspension, Circotec coated exhaust, keyless riding, Ducati traction control, riding modes, LED lighting, and this is 4 years for brand new model. 7,900 KD guys, 2018. That is $25,689 and 1.559 323 million pesos. Alright guys, ito naman ang Ducati Desert X Discovery. Okay, so this one guys, this is a 2025 model, 110 horsepower. Weight naman neto is 210 kilogram. Ang tank size niya is 21 liter. Okay, riding modes, power modes, Ducati wheelie control, DWC, engine brake control, Ducati quick shifter, up down, cruise control, full LED light system, DRL, Ducati brake light, USB power socket, 12 volt sockets, self-canceling turn indicators, steering damper, lithium ion battery. Included na lahat yan sa Ducati Desert X Discovery. Guys, the price neto is 8,750 KD. That is 28,453 US dollar, 1.727,698 million pesos. Kasama na lahat yan. Brand new 2025 model Desert X. Okay guys, so ready na ba kayo? Check naman natin ang mga pre-owned Ducati big bikes nila. Giavel Red pre-owned 2013 model. (162 horsepower, dry weight kilogram is 207, model year 2013, 750 kilometers. The price is 3,500 KD, 10,381 US dollars, and 690,839 sa peso naman. Giavel Red. So ito naman ang Ducati Multistrada. Wow. Pre-owned din to guys. Okay, this is 2018 model. 158 horsepower, dry weight kilo is 209, tank liter capacity is 20 liter. Ang mileage naman nito guys is 11,367. Price niya is 3,800 KD, that is 12,356 US dollar. And sa peso naman guys is 750,000 pesos. Ducati Multistrada. Para sa mga mahilig dyan sa Scrambler Classic. Okay. Malaki ang tangke, makinis. Monster S2R pre-owned din to guys, 2005 model. 77 horsepower, dry weight is 169 kilogram. Tank liter capacity neto is 14 liter. 40,000 mileage na guys. It's 1,700 KD sa price naman, which is 5,528 US dollars. And sa peso naman guys is only 335,550 pesos. Okay guys, para susunod naman natin na Ducati. Ito ang Ducati 2025 pre-owned Hyper Motard. This is a pre-owned guys, pero 2025 model siya. Horsepower naman nito is 77.5, dry weight kilogram is 151. Tank liter capacity is 12 liter. Mileage nito guys is only 1,249 for 5,000 KD. Okay, that is 16,259 US dollar. And sa peso naman guys is 913,000 peso. Hypermotard 698 mono, pre-owned 2025 model. Okay, ito naman guys, ang Ducati 2025 Hypermotard 950 RVE. This is a brand new model guys, 2025. Okay, para naman sa kanyang price and specs, okay? It has a safety equipment, riding modes, Boss cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, Ducati wheelie control, standard equipment power modes, daytime running light, Ducati quick shift, tapered aluminum sidebars, removable passenger foot pegs, USB power, and 4-year warranty. Tank liter capacity naman nito guys is 14.5 liter. Weight is 193 kg, 114 horsepower, and 937 cc. Price nito guys is 6,000 Kuwait dinars. Sa US dollar naman is 19,511 US dollars. And sa peso naman guys is 1.184296 million pesos. 2025 model guys. Okay, ito naman guys, pre-owned din siya. 1098S. So makinis pa siya guys. Ang laki ng tangke. Naka Brembo brake na rin siya. 1098S. Ito naman guys is 2008 pre-owned Ducati 1098S. Horsepower neto is 160. Dry weight is 171 kg. Tank liter capacity naman neto guys is 15.5 liter. Mileage neto is only 8,587. Price guys, 6,500 Kuwait dinars. And sa US dollar naman is 21,136 US dollars. Sa peso guys is 1.282987 million pesos. Yan guys. So yun na nga guys, meron din sila ditong mga helmet, riding gears, jackets, boots. Ayan guys, comment lang kayo kung gusto nyong i-feature naman natin yan para sa susunod na video. And that's it for today's ride. If you enjoyed this video and learned something about new Ducati big bikes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell para updated ka sa mga next ride natin. Comment down below na rin guys, which Ducati would you choose? Brand new ba or pre-owned? Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-riders. Ride smart, ride proud, Varsity Moto. See you sa next ride.